Yes.
I am dreaming of a white Christmas.
Hello? Uh-huh. 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 Okay, I'll be over there in a jiffy. Close one. Oh no! My boots! She's crazy, you know. What's up, man? What's up? Ah! Are you the owner of this house?
Show your bling and let me shine you.
Hello? Somebody call for a plumber? I got some broken pipes to fix. Looks like the right house, and I'm gonna take a look at your bathroom. I think someone's around here. That looks like a renovation house. Can't see a stupid thing in this. That is a gross sink. That is a weird wall. It's gonna take a lot to take care of this place. Wonderful vanity in there. Got your nice toilet. No. No. No! The bathtub is gone. I have fond memories in that bathtub. Gotta stay strong. Stay strong, Fred. Nice pipes. Alright. Oh, yeah. That was a weird, suspicious thing. I got like 15 pipes. Yeah. Oh no, I think I might have rode the pipe! Oh, my pants!
Oh, my eyes!
Huh? What was that sound? Whatever it was, must be in lunch break. Yeah. Lunch break. The most important meal of the day. Ah, yeah. That's good. This blower needs to take a leak. Sweet Mother Teresa. Looks like a jubilee in there. Goldfish! Oh no, my God! Need another Coke. Can't live without my Coke. Where we go back here? Right. Yes, sirree, a Cokey.
Put your hands up!
got better body shape than that.
Guess not.
Joe, why would you want to do this? Why would you want to hurt me and Steve? Why would you want this place?
Well, I got a kid at home, man. I need the money.
Well, if it's money, I can help you out. I fix a lot of pipes every day, and like these. Does that mean it's not your house yet?
No, sir.
Well, if you want my money and my tools, my prized possession, gold wrenches downstairs. Come on, man. I can give you that, and if you can set me and Steve free.
All right, show me.
All right, dude. It's down here.
All right.
All right. All right. You're knocked out. Move body out. All right, I'm gonna bag him. All right, get in there. All right.
Get me out of here.
Just gonna bag him. Bag him up. I really like McDonald's doing. Oh yeah. McDonald's gonna be happy with this meal. 1, 2. Mystery meat. Can you give me a hand with this, buddy? I am, man. Hey, I would throw him in the bathtub, but R.I.P. bathtub. We ain't got no toaster anyway. Come on. All right. Mystery meat today.
Hey, guys. Hello. Help. Now you guys better like and subscribe. I think I broke something. It hurts.